I'm Norrin, and I love this. Today we're going to be starting a new series taking a look at toys. Action figures by and large, but toys in the general sense. We're going to start our series today with the Green Hunter Beetleborg from Big Bad Beetleborgs. It was a TV show that aired in America back in 1996 for 2 seasons up to 98. It took the Power Rangers formula of having American stars repurpose Japanese combat footage from the show's Juko B-Fighter, and then in the second season B-Fighter Kabuto. We have here today Roland, the Green Fighter, or the Green Hunter Beetleborg. Let's see here. It all looks pretty standard. Nice, still on the card. Let's tear it open. Got my X-Acto knife here if you're going to use one at home. Be careful. But it helps get the plastic off nice and smooth. And then straight across the top. Bam. Discard that. And we have our backing card. We'll get some scans on that guy. And the toy itself. Now this was made by Bandai, which is almost a mark of honor for a Beetleborg toy. I know they have their fans, but they were no tattooed teenage alien fighters from outer space. I will stand by that. Let's see what we've got here. He does not appear to be taped in. He also does not appear to want to come out. Here we go. There we are. There's our little man. It actually feels pretty solid. It's a nice action figure. Oh, pinching action. I love it. Okay, let's see. What have we got here for accessories? Just stand there. Grab the knife again. And just like that. Okay. Looks like we have an extra set of pinchers here. And his gun. With a little peg so it stays in his hand. Alright, now let's see here. I think, yep, these guys just pop right off, and these guys here go back on, and now we have more impressive pinching power. Bigger spikes, don't you know? It was the 90s. Alright, let's get some close-ups on this little guy.
When 3 average kids enter the haunted Hillhurst house, little do they know that their lives are about to change forever. They accidentally unleash a fantastic phasm who grants them each one wish, and they all choose to become their favorite comic book heroes, the Beetleborgs. But this phasm's magic also releases the evil Vexor and his evil Magnivores from the comic book. Now, our three heroes must use their new superpowers to defeat the fiendish Magnivores and restore peace to their hometown. Roland Williams is the Green Hunter Beetleborg. His family owns a local comic book shop named Zoom Comics, where he, Joe, and Drew, the other Beetleborgs, usually hang out. He was granted the ability of super speed by Flabber, which he activates by snapping his fingers. His armor was modeled after the stag beetle. Roland Williams was played by actor Herbie Baez. Okay, his right arm, which has the pincher on it, just sort of spins around like that. And it comes back like this. And the left arm, which holds the gun, goes up and around, but then it can spin like this. And then it can also be bent up at the elbow like that. Now his legs go backwards. They don't really go forwards, but they both go backwards. And they bend at the knees like this. And the hips have a little wiggle to them, which helps with getting him to stand up on his own. And who could forget the terrible might of the Hunter Claw? Pinch, pinch.
Alright, and that has been our look at the Green Hunter Beetleborg. I'm not gonna lie, I was kinda disdainful of this guy. Seeing him on the card, I thought, it was a lame show at best. I admit openly I watched it. I was young, I can't be held for those judgment choices. But he has won me over. This is a really solid toy, and I shouldn't expect less from Bandai. They were an excellent toy company, and possibly still are. But he feels really nice, he's got good detail. He's been sitting in the box for almost 20 years, and there is no fading on the paint. His eyes still shine red, the accessories still work. I'm really digging the side holster for the gun. All told, this is a really cool little guy. I wish I'd known about them when I was young enough to care. Alright, thank you for joining us, and we will see you guys next time.
Wow, we got through the whole episode without talking about how creepy Flabber was.
Show off!
This has been Norrin with another episode of I Love This. Make sure to tune in next time, leave your comments or suggestions below, and if you like what you see, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. Until next time.